In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly Connect to Google Calendar, create events automatically. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that builds calendar events for you every time your chosen trigger happens, saving you time and keeping your schedule up to date without manual entry. Start by opening Pabbly Connect and logging into your account. From the dashboard, click Create Workflow. Then give it a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, such as Create Google Calendar Events. If you organize your automations, you can also pick a folder to keep things tidy. A clear name and folder make it easier to manage your setups as they grow. Next, set up your trigger. This is the event that tells Pabbly when to start the workflow. Choose the app and event that best match where your data originates. Common options include a new row in Google Sheets, a new record in Airtable, a new Excel row, or a webhook coming in from a form or another app. The idea is straightforward. The moment that trigger occurs, Pabbly will use that information to kick off the next step. Choose the trigger that fits your process and keep in mind what details your source will provide, like titles, dates, and descriptions, since those will inform your calendar event. Now add Google Calendar as the action. Click the plus button beneath your trigger step to insert a new action, then search for and select Google Calendar. For the action event, choose Create Event. This tells Pabbly to create a Google Calendar event every time your trigger fires, using the data coming from that trigger. Click Connect to authorize Pabbly Connect to access your Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account and grant the necessary permissions so Pabbly can create events on your behalf. Once connected, choose the specific calendar where you want these events to appear. It's a good practice to select a dedicated calendar for automations, so they're easy to review and toggle on or off in your calendar view. That's the core setup. With your workflow named and organized, your trigger selected, and Google Calendar set to create event on the correct calendar, you've established a smooth automation. From now on, whenever the trigger happens, whether it's a new row in your sheet, a record in your database, or a webhook submission, Pabbly will create a corresponding event in your chosen calendar. Keep your naming consistent, ensure your Google Calendar time zone is correct, and you'll have a reliable, hands-off way to keep your schedule updated automatically.